Hey, welcome back to another Travel Tuesday on the Coffee Chat. I'm Chan, and today we're tackling holiday travels, telling you everything you need to know so you can sit back and just sip your coffee and travel stress-free. So whether you're booking flights, trying to figure out how to pack those presents, or just looking for a last-minute holiday destination, I have 5 essential tips that will make your holiday travel stress-free. So grab your favorite cup of coffee, settle in, and let's dive into how to make this holiday travel season your smoothest one yet. Up first, when do you need to book your flights? Most travel experts say about 6 weeks out for any domestic flight is perfect. So now is the time to book. Whether you're flying for Thanksgiving, Christmas, or even New Year's, start looking now for any flights so that you can make sure you get the best deals. Prices do tend to rise quickly as November approaches, so the sooner you book, the better. If you'd like to weigh out a few different pricing options, always set a Google price alert, and that'll let you know about how the flight prices fluctuate for any given time. How soon should you be planning your holiday travel? Well, about now. Holiday travel season can be incredibly hectic, so most travel experts say that end of September, early October is the best time to start finalizing all of those travel plans. This way you can make sure you get the best deals on lodging, car rentals, and of course any type of transportation. Alright, so what about all of those presents you plan on taking with you? Well, experts say to pack your presents with TSA in mind. And one pro tip, don't wrap them. So if you're packing any presents, especially during the holidays, leave them unwrapped in your suitcase or however you plan on traveling with them. Don't wrap them in advance just in case TSA has to go through your bag. Me personally, I always just leave my gifts unwrapped, and then I actually use gift bags that I bring with me. They're a lot easier to take with you and they don't take up nearly as much space. Now, if you're talking about whether or not you should carry on or check a bag, listen, it's up to you. Of course, we all like to carry on as much as we possibly can to avoid our baggage getting lost or anything. But normally during the holidays, it's the one time that I actually usually do check a bag. And then what I do is I pack a smaller duffel bag that can fold up inside of it so I can bring back any presents or any shopping that I might have done while I'm at home for the holidays. Another great option for presents is, of course, just buying online and having them shipped directly to your destination. This one really comes in handy for me because I live clear across the country from my mom, so whenever I go home for the holidays, I do about 50-50 of taking presents with me and getting some directly shipped to her. Now, maybe you aren't headed home for the holidays. Try traveling off-peak to avoid the biggest crowd. So try traveling around the weeks of Thanksgiving and Christmas. So therefore, you avoid the largest crowds and the most expensive flights and hotels. Usually the week before Christmas and the week before Thanksgiving tend to be a lot lighter when it comes to pricing on all of these options. Really popular travel destinations for this time of year include Mexico, the Caribbean, and even European cities like Paris and Barcelona. Which brings me to my 5th and final tip for staycations or just holiday getaways. If you're a person who gets overly anxious with the holidays and maybe you really just need a break this year, think about planning a little solo time or a little staycation and give yourself a little time to yourself to have a break. Many hotel chains and spas offer a lot of great deals for staycations during those off-peak times during holiday travel season. So it's a great time to plan a little day trip for yourself and get away for some R&R. At the end of the day, we all know how chaotic the holidays can be, so make sure that you're taking care of yourself. One of my favorite traditions during the holidays is my mom and I do a little spa session, usually on Christmas Eve or Christmas Eve. We go to a local hotel in the Dallas area, get a nice massage, and just kind of reset. It's a great time where she and I can just kind of catch up by ourselves and get away from all the hustle and bustle of things. All right, let me know what you think about these travel tips in the comment section, and feel free to drop a few of your own as well. All right, that's all for this Travel Tuesday here on the Coffee Chat. Give me a like and hit that subscribe button if you enjoy this kind of content here on YouTube.